Everybody's on black, I'm up in white single. Bunch of body bags with no brains, mad people trying to reach out the dark to find a light signal. Me ain't no life savior, me I'm a Santino. Staring at the game, hunger cannot be satisfied. Even the food is supplied need to be testified. Everyone wanna be greater, so where should pass the line? You said survival's for the fittest, yeah I'm still alive. Hundreds and hundreds, the hustle created my villain. Making beat, breezing in hip-hop, we make a living. I'm not bargaining, I'm straight killing. Scottie Pippen, y'all ain't doing nothing but tossing up. You keep the dreaming about the GOAT. Illuminati folks, what you know about the world? You got gap with me, see you in telescope. I'm not a clown, pippin' in somebody's crown, I got my own one. No need for a pro, I do my shit and got my own son. Sometimes I wish that I'm black, cause I admire the old ones. I like to tour the world and come back, see that's my home run, huh? See that's my home run, huh?
Fine artwork, work against the time. Hostage ambition taught me how to rhyme. I read the talking killers, looking at the gold to fish my mind. Through the bridge to be free between the lines.
They wanna be the best, so I got the rest. To realize what is to be satisfied, you know. I see all the things to test, so I wanna be the best for me. Now I don't ever have to slide, you know. If making art for me is making goals for you, then you gotta go down and chase me in my shoes and chase me in my roots. I'm the type of one that never confused. I only do the things I knew, I hope it works the same for you, bruh.
Fine artwork, work against the time. Hostage ambition taught me how to rhyme. I read the talking killers, looking at the gold to fish my mind. Through the bridge to be free between the lines.
To be honest, I'm no one, tryna be the known one. Lonesome, give you this blunt, now you can low one with me. On this track, mind penitentiary. Repeat, take what you need, if you don't need it, just leave. How could you love me? You barely even know me, fool. Why would you hate? We didn't spoke a damn word, homie. If I clone me, straight to my soul, I kill the old me. Parallel universe every day. I told me I'll be breathing in the fresh air. From the step, I'll be singing but living all the wisdom from the past. Sometimes I'm pissed by environment, can't be alive in it. Ain't no social media, underground vibing it, bars.